Welcome to this beautifully renovated, modern home located in Lake Oswego's sought-after Palisades neighborhood, close to Oswego Lake. Including a boat easement and lake access, it's ready for enjoying the best in Lake Oswego living. Heading inside, discover newer wide plank flooring, vaulted ceilings, inviting spaces for entertaining, elegant glass doors, and new paint, lighting, and hardware. The dining room opens to the chef's kitchen, featuring quartz counters, a tile backsplash, tons of natural light, and easy access to a deck for your morning coffee in a private setting. You'll find a main floor home office and a full bathroom just steps away. On the upper level, you can relax in your vaulted master suite. The master bath features quartz counters and a gorgeous walk-in shower, plus a sitting area or extra walk-in closet. This home of more than 2,400 square feet has 3 bedrooms, and all 3 bathrooms have been updated. The expansive back deck is ready for entertaining or barbecuing, and you'll enjoy a large, fenced backyard. Other renovations include contemporary garage doors, all new siding, roof, decks, windows, and landscaping. Living here, you'll enjoy lake access and its close proximity to trails, award-winning schools, downtown restaurants, and shopping. A gorgeous renovated home in a coveted location. It's all here on South Shore Boulevard, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.